In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find aesthetic Notion cover photos. Welcome everyone. If you're a Notion user, you know how important it is for your workspace to not only be functional, but also visually appealing. Sometimes a well-chosen cover photo can make all the difference in creating an inspiring environment. So, let's dive into the process of sprucing up your Notion pages with beautiful aesthetic cover photos. To begin, open up the page in Notion that you'd like to enhance with a cover photo. You might already know that Notion comes with a few default options for cover images. But did you know there's a treasure trove of other aesthetic options available? Let's explore how you can unlock these hidden gems. First off, look for the Add Cover button at the top of your page. This will enable you to add a new visual element. Once you've clicked that, you're halfway there. By default, Notion will add a cover, but this is where you get creative. What you're looking for next is the Change Cover button. Give it a click, and this will present you with a variety of categories to choose from. Now here's where the fun truly begins. Notion offers a range of categories to browse through, and each one is packed with stunning visuals. Start by browsing the Nature category if you're a fan of serene and calming landscapes. From lush forests to endless beaches, the Nature category has it all to bring a breath of fresh air to your workspace. Next, there's Abstract, where you can find striking shapes, lines, and colors that add a modern flair to your Notion pages. Perfect if you're interested in a sleek, contemporary look. Gradients is another fantastic option, offering smooth, blended tones that create a calming ambiance, often adding a touch of sophistication. Illustrations are perfect for those who enjoy a bit of whimsy and charm, with varied art styles that suit any mood or theme you're going for. Lastly, Patterns offer repetitive designs that can provide a sense of order and rhythm, adding an eye-catching yet subtle background to your content. These categories truly provide endless possibilities, and remember, you can always switch it up whenever you feel like a change. It really is as simple as a few clicks to transform your Notion page into something that reflects your personality and boosts your productivity. I've shown you the quickest and simplest way to enhance your Notion pages aesthetically. Take some time to explore these categories, try out different styles, and see what resonates best with you. A bit of visual personalization can really make your workspace feel more inviting and uniquely yours. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy creating your aesthetic Notion environment as much as I do.